Landelani nizohlaba.
Eli liphulo lokukhuthaza abantu ukuba bagonyelwe intsholongwane yecorona.
It's a single dose vaccine.
Abaqhubi beteksi basabela ikhwelo lokugonyelwa i-COVID-19. uPatricia Shange uneminyaka engama-53 uphakathi kwabo.
Hey, njengoba ngijovile ne. Ngicabanga ukuthi yonke into izoba sharp ngoba as udriver ama-passenger lawo engiwalayishayo kumele ukuthi nawo encourage ukuthi ezimina njengoba ngibaphethe kumele nabo bajove ngoba kubalulekile sivikele imindeni yethu nama-passenger uqobo yayibona.
Sechithe iminyaka engama-20 kweli candelo longanyelwe kakhulu ngamadoda kwaye lo mama unabantwana ababini uthi uthathe isigqibo sokugonywa kube efuna ukukhusela usapho lwakhe kunye nabakhweli.
People are dying every day, every hour. People are dying. So I supposed to vaccinate.
Oku kungqinwa nangoogxa bakhe abangamadoda nabathi kuqala bebethandabuza malunga nokugonywa.
Besisaba ukuyongena ngaphakathi kodwa mabeze kithi sesijovile nama-passenger siwagqugquzela ukuthi ehambe eyojova khona sizogibela emateksini si-right sonke. Yes, kodwa angisho ukuthi bekhumula amamaski beqhubeke nemaski nomuntu osejovile.
I was just afraid to come and take a vaccine. But today, since the morning, I was here at the bar. But now the time comes to say I must go and take the vaccine. And I've done it, and I'm okay.
Ukanti nabakhweli balisabele likhwelo.
I am so very happy about that.
I needed to vaccinate because I'm working where I'm dealing with old age, disability, yeah.
I feel very happy about what happened because this coronavirus is affecting all over the world.
Kodwa abanye abaqhubi beteksi babonakale bengekakungxameli ukugonywa.
Siyabuza ukuthuba basengayithathile i-vaccine.
Abengakayithatha.
Ubungakathathi usayithatha nini baba?
Angiyithatha mangithola isikhathi.
Ukanti abasemagunyeni bakwiphulo lokukhuthaza uluntu kuba lugonywe.
Oh, but yona uzoyithatha. The response is quite positive. And we are very pleased because there has been a hesitancy coming mainly from men or male. And we are seeing that because also the taxi industry is male-dominated, we are pleased that most of the men are taking the vaccine. And we are seeing an increase in the numbers right here. And this is confirmed by the health officials that the response is quite good, it's overwhelming, and it's not only the drivers who are taking the jab, it's actually everybody.
Kulindeleke ukuba ngomhla wokuqala ngoSeptemba kuvulelwa abantu abatsha abaphakathi kweminyaka 18 ukuya kuma-34 ukuba bagonywe.